Hi.
Hi.
So me and Haley are standing outside with an umbrella.
It's raining.
It's raining and it's thundering. If you can't hear that, I'm kind of scared. But we
shivering in my boots over here.
we told each other that we could do this. We could go outside.
Moral support.
Yes. We're wearing tank tops and it's kind of cold.
It really is. Tank tops and shorts.
Yeah.
Oh well. Shorts.
So yeah. Okay. I have an umbrella.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. Okay, so this is pretty much just for the umbrella.
Yeah.
I just thought it'd be fun to have an umbrella in the video. Okay, bye.